This is Jay from Welding Service, and this is a weld repair, moving a fuel nozzle to a better location so it's easier to fuel up. This one scared the shit out of me. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't like working around fuel, so this one was a little butthole puckering, but we made it through it. Can't say enough good things about this CNC plasma. It is a dream to have. Remember, kids, safety first. I didn't get blowed up or nothing, and the nozzle's in a better place, so when you fill up at the gas station, it doesn't click off 100 times. If you like this content, be sure to subscribe so you can see what we got going on around the shop.